What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And yes, today is the big one. It's gonna be the new car reveal, but this is not my car. This is Darius's car. And before I can show you what it is, we have to introduce Darius to the channel. So without further ado, Darius Garcia.
What's up, guys? Welcome to Luke's Life's channel here. I'm honored to finally be introduced.
Now I gotta say, I am super pumped up for the logo that I see right here, okay? I mean, I've always wanted a Lambo. I've always wanted one.
Lambo? I mean, is this the right cover? I don't know. I mean, I'm not really a Lambo guy.
Is it not? Don't say it isn't so.
I don't think that's a Lambo underneath there.
Let's uncover it, bro. I'm dying to see it. 3, 2, 1. The new car for the... A GTR? That's not a Lambo. What the heck?
That's right. That is a 2024 GTR. Already got a little bit of stuff done to it.
Already? How many miles are on this thing?
380.
380 miles.
This is the first 2024 GTR in the world that has tunes, mods, flex fuel kits on it. They still haven't even all the way finished the tune because they can't get the mapping done because it hasn't been made yet.
Well, this thing is sick, man. I love the color. You know, I've always been a big white car guy, and this is sick with all the metallic in it. Gosh, that's dope. I love the new, is it still, it's still an R35, huh?
Still an R35. They've made a couple tweaks. The front grill's a little bit different. The rear fascia got a little bit of a facelift. The interior actually finally, after what, 15 years of the same freaking car, they finally added some extra stitching in the car, so it's not just super plain. It's a little bit better. But
well, walk us around this thing. What's your favorite thing about it?
I have to say the rear fascia is my favorite part.
So that is a seriously badass upgrade. I love all these extra lines they did, but this is quite dusty from your drive over here. I mean, what are you doing? I mean, clean me maybe on there? You know?
I am the trash man, you know what I mean?
Yes.
It's got to be a little bit trashy.
Of course,
or we're not driving it right.
You know, and go ahead, Darius. You got to tell the people why you're the trash man. You're not going to just leave us on a trash man license plate.
Yeah, long story short, my family and I, we deal with trash. We're trash people. We do roll-off dumpsters, trash cans, all that good stuff. So I'm the trash man. I know.
So they're not even done with the tune yet, but what's the wheel horsepower right now?
Right now it's 600.
600 wheel, okay, and that's 93 octane. So they still have to finish the E85 tune?
They still have to finish the E85, the flex fuel tune, yeah.
Okay.
So right now we're running on 0 ethanol.
Damn, that's crazy. I love all these gauges right here. That's super dope.
It's pretty fun. We can actually bounce from different gauges that we want, so get to see different braking G's that we get on the brakes. I love this one. Just a big old...
A giant boost gauge.
There you go.
I see why everybody loves GTRs, guys. These things just pull and pull and pull. And talk about such easy power to get out of a stock car.
I know.
Like, that's so crazy. What a badass car. If I wanted the Lambo to have anywhere close to the horsepower that this car is going to have once the E85 tune is done, it would cost me like $35,000. It's crazy. They're waiting for you. Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do?
What you gonna do when they come? Oh!
All right, guys, we gotta hear what this thing sounds like from the outside, so here we go. All right, guys, that was freaking sick and super fun. Dude, congrats on the new car, man.
Thank you, I appreciate it. It's a blast. That was a blast.
When dreams come true, that's the best, isn't it? You've had a lot of cars. This is not even the most expensive car you had, but you actually went back, you bought your dream car, and have you ever been happier?
I've honestly never been happier. I mean, this has been my dream for a long time, and Luke here, he kind of sold me on a different dream for a little bit, and I got to experience that AMG power for a little bit, and it just didn't hit home for me. So I'm a diehard Fast and Furious guy and Paul Walker guy. You can see on the side of the car it says for Paul.
Oh yeah, look at that.
And this has been my dream
Let's
car
not
since I was...
Let's not forget your Paul Walker sign too, and your Han sign.
Oh,
look
yeah.
at you. Just a JDM freak, aren't you?
I've been a racer since high school. Used to drive a Subi. So
Yeah.
all my racers out there, that's me.
We're about to
I got
find
your
a
back.
whole new demographic for the channel. Everybody that hates Lambos and supercars, they're gonna be like, oh my God, it's a GTR. Got done wiping down the car, guys, and let me tell y'all, this PPF was rough on the car when I bought it. Just the front end of the Lambo is done. But right now, it is looking extra rough. And check out these dings on the front. Oh my gosh. I hope the camera will focus on this. But those two right there, nasty. Those happened on the Lambo drive. This one was already here when I got it. That one's nasty. This thing's just all beat up. I mean, you can like maybe barely see it in the camera. But we are gonna be redoing that stuff very, very soon. In fact, we're gonna pull the front PPF off and we are gonna totally paint correct the entire car, fully PPF the entire car, and we're gonna ceramic coat it on top of that. And let's not forget, the windshield is gonna get covered in Exo Shield because rock chips are very expensive on a Lamborghini, and I cannot afford to replace. I can only imagine how much this windshield costs. What do you think this windshield costs?
I'm gonna say $2 to $3 grand.
2 to 3 grand? Not a number I want to pay. Not even close to a number I want to pay. You know, I'm used to my Corvette days, guys. You know, crack a windshield, $400 or $500. You know, it is what it is. I can live with that. As always, guys, thank y'all so much for watching, and give Darius a big welcome to the channel. We are super, super happy to have him actually on camera now. He's got his car, it's back, and whenever he had his other car, I just wasn't making enough videos. We just never got around to putting him in the videos. So, like I said, guys, thank y'all for watching so much, and tomorrow, we're going to Coffee and Cars.
Coffee and Cars. You're gonna see me there. I'm gonna be in a little bit something different. She's
Yeah,
staying
the
home.
GTR is staying home because Darius has a different hobby that we will not reveal yet, but it goes much deeper and further than just cars and modifications, okay? Because this Coffee and Cars is a special theme that I think a lot of you are gonna like. But stay tuned for that video. Thank y'all so much for watching. Smash that subscribe button. Leave a comment down below and let me know how sick you think Darius's new GTR is. And that's all, guys. Peace.